In this video, you'll learn how to fix mobile data issues on your Google Pixel phone. By following these troubleshooting steps, you will be able to restore your mobile data connectivity effectively. Start by opening the Settings app on your Google Pixel device. Look for the option labeled Network and Internet. Within this menu, ensure that the toggle for mobile data is switched on. Next, check that airplane mode is disabled. This is crucial, as enabling airplane mode will prevent any mobile data connection. Additionally, verify that your SIM card is active and correctly inserted into the SIM tray, as improper placement can lead to connectivity issues. Next, refresh your network connection by toggling airplane mode on and then off again. This action helps to reset your connection to the mobile network. For further troubleshooting, consider restarting your phone. A simple restart can resolve many temporary issues. If problems persist, navigate back to the network and internet settings, scroll down and select reset options. From there, choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth to clear any incorrect configurations. After resetting, reconnect to your mobile network to check if the issue is resolved. After that, you should check your access point name or APN settings, return to the network and internet section and tap on mobile network. Here, look for advanced settings and select access point names. Ensure that the APN details match those provided by your carrier. If you are unsure of the correct settings, it may be necessary to contact your service provider for assistance. This verification is essential for ensuring that your phone can properly connect to the mobile network. Lastly, check for any available software updates for your device. Go back to the main settings menu and select System, then tap on System Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Keeping your device updated can resolve many issues, including those related to mobile data connectivity. Once the update is complete, test your mobile data connection to confirm that it is working correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.